Shalom family, welcome back to Wake Up Jacob. If you're new here, welcome, we are so glad you found us. If you love learning biblical truth and connecting it to what's happening in the world today, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. Let's have a real conversation today. I recently asked ChatGPT this question. What is the real reason America refuses to give Black Americans reparations for the free labor they obtained during slavery? The answer I received was eye-opening, and very much in line with what Scripture already teaches us. Let's break this down together. Today's topic is deep. According to ChatGPT, this isn't just about money. The refusal to pay reparations is deeply rooted in history, politics, and power. Here are 5 main reasons America refuses to pay reparations. 1. The cost is enormous. Reparations wouldn't just mean a one-time payout. If America paid for centuries of unpaid labor, land theft, Jim Crow exploitation, redlining, and generational wealth that was stolen, we're talking tens of trillions of dollars. This would completely change America's economy and redistribute power, something the system is reluctant to allow. 2. America would have to admit its guilt. Paying reparations would mean officially acknowledging that slavery was not just a mistake but a foundation of the nation's wealth, and that Black Americans were deliberately kept poor for centuries. This challenges the myth of America being the land of freedom and equality. 3. Fear of setting a precedent. If reparations are paid to Black Americans, other groups could demand reparations too: indigenous nations, descendants of Japanese internment victims, and exploited immigrant laborers, opening the door to countless financial and legal claims. 4. Racism and political pushback. Many still don't believe Black people are owed anything. You often hear, "That was in the past," or "just work hard like everyone else." These arguments ignore the ongoing legacy of slavery, mass incarceration, housing discrimination, and generational poverty, but they are politically powerful. 5. Division is convenient for those in power. Keeping this issue unresolved works for the system. It keeps racial tensions high, which can be used as a political tool. If Black Americans were economically empowered, it would shift voting power, political influence, and social dynamics, and the system resists that. Now, what is the biblical perspective on reparations? Family, this is not just a political issue, it's a spiritual issue. Scripture shows us exactly how Yah sees stolen labor and how he responds to injustice. Exodus 22 verse 1. If a man shall steal an ox, or a sheep, and kill it, or sell it, he shall restore 5 oxen for an ox, and 4 sheep for a sheep. Yah's law requires restitution. If one stolen ox required 5 in return, imagine what is owed for centuries of stolen lives and labor. James 5 verse 4. Behold, the hire of the laborers who have reaped down your fields, which is of you kept back by fraud, crieth, and the cries of them which have reaped are entered into the ears of the Lord of Sabaoth. The Most High hears the cries of those whose labor was stolen. This verse is literally describing slavery, sharecropping, and every form of unpaid labor we have endured. Jeremiah 30 verse 16. Therefore all they that devour thee shall be devoured, and all thine adversaries, every one of them, shall go into captivity, and they that spoil thee shall be a spoil, and all that prey upon thee will I give for a prey. Yah promises that those who plundered Israel will themselves be plundered. Divine justice is coming, whether America pays reparations or not. Deuteronomy 15 verses 12 to 15. And when thou sendest him out free from thee, thou shalt not let him go away empty, thou shalt furnish him liberally. When servants were freed, they were not to leave empty-handed. After 1865, our ancestors were freed with nothing, which violated Yah's law and set the stage for generational poverty. Isaiah 60 verses 10 to 11. And the sons of strangers shall build up thy walls, and their kings shall minister unto thee, therefore thy gates shall be open continually. In the future restoration, the nations will contribute to the rebuilding of Israel. This is divine reparations, Yah's own plan. Joel 2 verse 25. And I will restore to you the years that the locust hath eaten. Yah promises to restore everything that was lost: time, wealth, and dignity. Even if man refuses to pay, Yah Himself will make it right. Family, this is why America refuses to pay reparations, but also why we don't have to lose hope. Reparations are coming, but they are coming on Yah's terms, not man's. He sees the injustice. He hears our cries. And He has promised restoration. So stay encouraged. Continue to seek Yah's face, live righteously, and prepare for the day when He fulfills every promise to His chosen people. Wake up, Jacob, our redemption is closer than we think. Until next time, fam, shalom.